freak turn on my lights? Who the freak turn on my lights? Why the freak y'all?
So who the freak turn on my lights? Welcome back to Mama Weesie channel. Today I am decorating my daughter's room. Valentine is coming up, so I'm going to let them know how special they mean to me. Come on along with me. Like the video. Comment down below because I'm about to give y'all some ideas on how to decorate for the love of your lives. Come on. Got some rose petals. And we're going to get their reaction on how they like everything. Rose petals. Okay. And a little gift. Had to put in this kind of bag. It's so nosy. So I had to put in that bag. Got some of this. I'm gonna give y'all a close. This is a little something to show them that how I feel about them. You know, you can always tell them, but you show them how much you love them. Even though I show every day, but days like this means the world, you know, to a person. Gotta hide the second part. Gotta make sure y'all can't see this. This is make sure I get them the right, each one of them the right thing. Something like this. Okay. Thought I got mixed up. Okay. These two bags. This goes over here. You know what? I should give y'all a look at what I done for them. Okay, now I'm going to get them, blindfold them, and bring them in the room so you can see their reaction. Okay, all right. Bathroom. Fit to the down. Both of y'all. Okay, stay right here. All right, close. All right, stay right there. I'm turning on the light. Keep your eye closed. All right, open your eyes.
That's so sweet. Now get out of my room.
I need
a picture too. I need a little.
Look at this. What kind of mess is
I
this?
think I got it.
That's like, oh, did y'all get the reaction?
You gotta record your own bed, so go that way.
They didn't get the
Go
reaction.
that way.
Wait a minute. Oh, she about to record her own bed.
You guys.
Okay, I'm done.
Okay, wait. All right. Tania, you done? You done, Tania?
Mhm.
Okay. Now, who's going to open first?
I'm going.
You going first? Okay, so I'm going to turn the camera over to Tania.
Tania.
Tania. Okay. We're going to get a little close up.
I'm gonna start with this big. I'm gonna start with this.
Okay, she's starting with bed first.
Okay. Alright, I ain't gonna show y'all because this is like. Y'all know what undies look like, so. Alright. And then we got.
You like the chocolates?
Yeah, I like chocolate.
Okay. Let me see this chocolate. Where's the chocolates?
Oh, I thought it was money in the back. So this Hershey's Kisses. Oh, I thought thought it was Reese's. Because if it was Reese's, I would have been hype Sugar Rush. It's Hershey Kisses milk chocolate. This is good. It's gonna be so good, y'all. I'm still gonna have Sugar Rush. Alright. Hi. Hi. Okay, I have Victoria's Secret medium. I'm not a medium. I'm a small.
A
Why
medium?
she give me big stuff?
Oh, that's a medium?
Yes.
I thought it was a small. Oh, my goodness.
She gonna have to take this back because I can't fit this. I'm small, so like.
Oh, God. Okay.
Hi guys. That is so good. I'm gonna try it on the seat and then yeah. If it fits, then yeah, I got it.
Okay. All right. So you see the reaction for Tania and her gifts. So you like everything?
Yeah, I like everything.
All right. Happy Valentine's Day.
Thank
you. Mwah. Okay. Okay, we have Shantae here. She's busy on her phone.
Alright, so you got the little. You know, tape popping. What's popping? Alright, let's see. You know, you got the little candy can. What's in the box? Oh my god! Okay. Got the same thing as Tania.
Period.
Let's see. What's actually good? This is an extra large.
Girl.
Girl, what?
Oh, girl.
This is an extra large.
Oh my God.
It's just.
Dude, what glasses does she? Girl, this is an extra large.
Dang, I thought that was, oh man.
What, you got your one for yourself?
Put this up a little.
No.
Put it up.
So
I
why?
just did it for y'all.
Girl, you got this thing at extra large.
I think I'm.
Oh
So,
my
we
Wait,
God.
what's that Tania
I
got?
got a medium. I think you could fit this, but
Oh, you
I'm
got
gonna try
medium?
I'm gonna try it on first, see if I could fit it. But
I don't.
I'm
no, you can't see that.
Ah!
But you got polka dots on yours? It's polka dots?
No, it's.
Oh. I want the simple black one. I might try it on. It might fit. I don't know.
Hey, yeah, I like that.
Okay.
Is
But
this
that's an
short?
extra large. I don't know. Maybe a medium. And I got some
Oh.
underwears. Yeah. Period.
Ah.
And a balloon. Yep.
Okay, so you like everything? Hi, Tay Poppin'. This is Tay Poppin'. Follow her. Follow. She don't want me sitting on her bed. Follow her on YouTube and all social media platforms. Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's.
Does she just wipe my kisses off? No, she didn't.
Bye,
So
guys.
this is how
You
you decorate your room for anyone. I just show y'all a little inside of how I did the girls' room.
No boy could do it, but my mom did.
So
Thank you, Mama. And we're out.
I'll be right back. Hold on. Wait. All right. That was a prank. I got him. Woo!
What the freak? Why
that
she
This
yelling?
is yours and hers and yours belongs to her. And this is mine.
Y'all, she sure
I
got
got him. I got him. Mama Weesie got them. Mama Weesie
Nuh-uh.
got them on the prank. The prank. Tell me, and biggest thing, tell me, we gotta go back to the mall. Cry. So, I thank y'all for watching. If y'all like this video, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below.
I want the black one.
And now she asking for my black
I
one.
thought that was mine. I
Comment
thought
down
that was
below and let me know how y'all felt about the decoration that I did for the girls for Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day from the Mama Weesie. Happy Valentine's Day from Mama Weesie. Happy Valentine's Day from Mama Weesie. Happy Valentine's Day from Mama Weesie. Happy Valentine from Mama Weesie.
Yes. All right, we are. Okay, my Weez Nation. I see no one answered the trivia question on my other video. So I'm about to give you another one. What was Frederick Douglass known for? Who can answer that trivia question will get a shout out on my next video. Let's go.